Rob, Buick has come up with another hit here, haven't they?
We'd like to think so. The Enclave has got a great reputation. It has since it first launched in 2007. Now we have the all-new Buick Enclave Avenir, which is really a range topper for the Enclave. And then we also have the 2018 Enclave. All new structure from the ground up, new proportions, but the same functionality and the luxury that our customers expect.
The Avenir, of course, is a name that Buick has been trying to put on something here for a while, and here it is. It really kind of matches where the industry is right now, too, doesn't it?
Yeah, Avenir in French is future, and so we kind of looked at it and said, this is where we want to be, send a signal as to the design direction and the style direction for the Buick brand. So we came up with the Avenir sub-brand. And it has a great exterior style. It's very, it's very progressive. We already have very beautiful vehicles. This just takes it to another level. And we think that from a luxury standpoint, it's kind of where the customer is taking us already. And so it made for a perfect match.
Bring to the interior of the Avenir this time?
Well, we looked and said, how can we differentiate the interior from the rest of the Enclave range? So we gave it a unique colour, unique leather, unique coloured stitching, which is contrast to the leather, and of course we've got Avenir embossed into the headrest. So real visual and material cues that this is different, this is something special.
Dealers have to be pretty happy about this. It fills a nice little niche for them in a really top-of-the-line kind of a situation, doesn't it?
Well, they can't wait for the new Enclave, full stop, but when we talk to the dealers, and some have been here tonight, they say, please just send me only the Avenir version, which of course is at a high price, top of the line, just shows the confidence they've got that they can find new and existing customers with this great vehicle.